Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. So just now I'm back from the courier office after shipping out some of the clothing that you got from me, especially jeans. Now I came home to the package outside of my door, package from Amazon. I'm just going to open it for the first time in front of the camera and see how the clothing look like and if they're going to fit me. It's going to be an unboxing haul of all the cute clothes stuff that I picked up from Amazon. I have my blade with me. I just decided I'm not gonna wear jeans anymore all of a sudden. So just like 2-3 weeks back, I just took up the decision, which I'll be explaining in an altogether different video about why I decided to stop wearing jeans anymore, especially the high-waisted ones and the skinny fit or the slim fit jeans. I'm not gonna wear it anymore. You've seen a lot of H&M jeans video on my channel and things like that. So if I leave all of that, I literally have no clothing at all in my wardrobe. I thought I might get myself some kind of outfit that are not jeans but still that looks really cute and stylish, because I don't want to get into like salwar or anything of that just yet. So I ordered myself a couple of stuff from Amazon. These are all the clothing that I just got from Amazon just for me to try. Looks like a lot of pink, right? I'm just gonna literally open them out and try it for you guys for the first time. The first thing that I picked up is this pant. And yeah, this is how it looks. It's basically a culotte type of pant, very gorgeous, beautiful pink color pant. I hope this fits and it's not too tight. It has this button detailing and a zip plate detailing on the front. First thing is it's very flowy and it's very comfortable to wear, and it has this button and the zip detailing and the type detailing, which I clearly did not type properly. But I really like the color of it. I really like the print of it. I like the model of it. It's so lightweight, it's flowy, and it also has got just 2 pockets on it. So overall, I quite like it. So this is a very cute and different model. It's really hot today, and yeah, after a long time it's 32 degrees and it's quite hot. I got this for like 7.99 rupees online and I really like it. The quality is very good, the material is very good. It has elastic at the back, so it's like stretches up as well depending on your body structure. So it's quite comfortable to wear, and also you can type this up as and how you like and make it look cute. And this also works great if you're going to pair it up with a kurta that is like knee length or something like that, a plain one, and gives a very bold color on it if you prefer that kind of style. But that's not my style, so I'm just gonna give that a skip. Next stuff that I picked up is another culottes. Culottes are something that itself is a style statement, so you can just wear it up with any kind of t-shirts and all sorts of things. And it's size S I got this from, and this is exactly how it looks like. On the picture it was looking really gorgeous. Now it kind of looks a little okay-ish. I don't know, I haven't tried them out yet, because it's the first time I'm trying something, a new different style that is not actually my style. Ripped high-waist jeans and a crop top, that's my regular style. I do not want anything that holds my legs or holds my hip tight, or you know, I don't want anything like that. So without shoes, all the outfits look really horrible, so I'm just gonna pick up my regular old white sneakers and pair it up. This is exactly the outfit. I quite like this outfit a lot. It's again a very stylish outfit. This is basically a striped pant. Nothing more fancier than that. It has 3 buttons on it. It's a full-on elastic pant. Again, I pair it up with the same black top just to see how it looks. Very comfortable, very flowy on the leg, and it's just really nice. It's very cute. Pink is not really a very good pink. It's like neon pink, and I do not like neon pink. If it was just a plain pink and plain orange, I would have loved it. Another part is, as you can see, it's very loose over here. It's very loose on the front and the side. Tag says extra small, the label says extra small, but still it's very huge for me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about it because it's too big for me. I really like the different cut pattern on it. I just like that a lot. I really like the culottes pant. I'm gonna be keeping it for sure. This one, I like the dress, but I didn't like the color of it, so I'm gonna be returning this and getting another dress that's like more of a nicer color or something like that. I think I'm leaning more towards dresses. because dresses are feeling even more comfortable for me than the culottes pant. Although they are very comfortable in terms of the legs part, they're still holding me on the waist. I don't like that feeling of something holding on my waist as well. But the pink one is really cute. I'm gonna link all the products that I picked up on the description tab below, so if you're interested as well, you can just check that out. If you have any suggestions on what else can I wear if I do not want to wear jeans, I don't want anything holding my hip. Now do not tell me salwar or kurta, because I'm not into kurta yet. Let me know, is there anything outfit like that I can just wear it on a day-to-day basis outside in my city for doing the mundane things like grocery shopping and all of it. If you have anything, I would just welcome your suggestion as well on the comments below. Yeah, thank you so much for staying around. I'll catch you again next week with a brand new video. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye bye.